Hi YouTube, this is SREERAJ. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a beautiful application that helps you to create beautiful, awesome stickers for sharing in your WhatsApp. This application is known as WhatsStickers. This is a beautiful Android application that enables you to create stickers of your own photos, your friends' photos, family photos. You can create awesome greetings for your friends, family, etc. This is a wonderful image editing application that enables to easily create any kind of WhatsApp sticker. It has unlimited possibilities. It's simply like a mini Photoshop sticker creator application. It has almost wonderful Photoshop-like features. Hope it may be very useful for you guys. So we're gonna start now. Let's move on to installation of this application. This application is known as WhatsStickers. So just go to Google Play Stores and type in WhatsStickers. Make sure you type double S, WhatsStickers. In the first search result itself, you can see WhatsStickers by Big Brothers. WhatsStickers create personal WhatsApp stickers. This is a beautiful application that helps you to create wonderful stickers for WhatsApp. This is an awesome application. You must install it. I have used it. It's very useful to create wonderful WhatsApp stickers. Here are a few sample photos. You can create stickers like this. You can rub using the eraser tool. There are eraser tools that helps to rub the backgrounds and clean the backgrounds and create awesome stickers. And you can edit, copy, paste different stickers. You can create in different shapes. Also, you can create in beautiful shapes like stickers and share in your WhatsApp. 7 languages are supported already, and more languages and fonts will be added in the future. So just install this application. This application is created by Big Brothers, who already had contributed beautiful application for WhatsApp like WhatsTools and many other image editor application. This application is almost like a simple Photoshop app that enables to create wonderful stickers. One of the greatest features I have seen with this application is this application consists of lots of beautiful assets. There is a wonderful collection of cliparts and images in this application. You can experience a lot of sticker packs are already included. You can edit or customize those existing sticker packs, or you can create wonderful innovative stickers by your own. You can easily integrate and create beautiful awesome stickers, and I will show you a demo and you will be mind blown. You will really wonder about the possibilities and the features of this application. This is really superb application for WhatsApp. This application turns you to a wonderful image editor or wonderful creator. This is super. I have already rated 5 stars because this application has really helped me to create wonderful stickers. That's all in this video, guys. In the next video, I will be showing how to make stickers like this. You can see some beautiful stickers on the screen. I will show you the step-by-step tutorials on creating sticker like this Emma Watson, this Harry Potter and similar stickers. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share the video. For more future videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is SREERAJ signing off. Thank you.